Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can rotate text in cells of your spreadsheets and documents on Google Sheets. So let us get started. So let me navigate to that example untitled spreadsheet and let us add some example text to that cell here just for the sake of this tutorial. So what you want to do is select a given cell, and here at the top you will see these formatting options. And here amongst these guys, next to the text wrapping tool, you will see the text rotation tool. Click into that arrow down icon and select your rotation. Tilt up, tilt down, stack vertically, rotate up, and so on and so forth. So select one of these, or you may go with a custom rotation angle here to the right, ranging from -90° to +90°. So let me go with, I don't know, 75°. And that would look like this. And yeah, you can test various rotation angles, and there you go. You may combine this with an alignment, for example, or centered alignment, and that's how it would look like, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.